Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. And in this video I'm going to be showing you my full wash day routine. So my hair has already been pre-pooed and I'll leave a link to that video above so you guys can see it. Now, I shampoo my hair every single week, but on the first week of the month I use a cleansing shampoo, and all the other weeks of the month I will use a moisturizing shampoo. So in this bottle is actually the Cantu moisturizing shampoo. I'll put a picture on the screen of it right here. That's what I'm going to be using to wash my hair today. So I'm going to go ahead and let that lather up, and I'm going to be sure to squeeze it into all of my braids because I always run the shampoo all the way down the length of my hair. My hair gets product buildup very easily, so I always make sure to wash every single thing out every time I wash my hair, which is why I always use shampoo. I'll usually wash my hair 2 to 3 times depending on how much buildup I have. After I have rinsed everything out of my hair, I'm going to go in with my rice water, and I use rice water every single time I wash. If you want me to make a video on that, I'm sure you've seen one, but it's really good for hair growth and removing a lot of dry skin on the scalp, and it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put that all over my head, and then I'm going to go in with my shampoo brush, my vibrating shampoo brush, and really massage that into my scalp. I really want to get all the benefits of my rice water, and I have found that massaging it in really helps me get all the benefits. Next, I'm going to put a shower cap on, and I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes, and I usually will wash the rest of my body while that 10 minutes is going by. After that 10 minutes, I'm going to rinse it all out, and then we will proceed to deep conditioning. So today, the deep conditioner I'm going to be using is the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviler hair mask. I deep condition every single time I wash my hair, and it's also a good balance because you did a lot of protein with the rice water, so you need to do a lot of moisturizing with your deep conditioner. So when I put on my deep conditioner, I unbraid all the braids because I also use this time to detangle my hair. So I'm going to take down my braid, I'm going to add all my deep conditioner in, I'm going to kind of finger detangle. My hair shouldn't be knotted up or anything like that. It just helps me really rake the product through very gently and evenly. After that's all in, I'm going to just braid it right back up, and I'm going to repeat that process throughout the rest of my head. Just a helpful tip, when you get to the front of your head, make sure you are deep conditioning your edges. I think a lot of people forget about them. You have to make sure they are also well moisturized because you don't want to lose them. Now that one side of my head is finished, I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side the exact same way. After both sides of my head are finished, I'm going to take my handy dandy shower cap. I'm going to put that on my head. Then I'm going to take my towel turban. I got this at Walmart for like $4 or $5. I'm going to use that to just secure the heat on my scalp and make sure that helps penetrate all the deep conditioner. And I'm going to leave this on for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once that hour is over, I'm going to hop back in the shower. I'm going to take off the turban, I'm going to take off the shower cap, and I'm going to rinse out my deep conditioner. So if you didn't know, my hair is low porosity. So when I do all my styling, I always put all my moisturizers in the shower just so they really penetrate my hair. So I'm going to start again by taking down one of my braids and rinsing out just a little bit of remainder of the leave-in conditioner just so I can make sure my hair is nice and clean. And I'm going to start with my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. I'm going to put that all over this section and rub it in really nicely. And for styling today, I'm going to be using the Long & Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie by As I Am. I'm going to put that in right after my leave-in conditioner. Lastly, I'm just going to seal everything in with my homemade oil mixture, and it's just a mixture of avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and a few other just penetrating oils that are really good for your hair. Once that's all in, I'm going to braid that section up again just because we got to keep things nice and organized in this side of the world. And I'm going to repeat this all over my head once again. If you've really been struggling to keep your hair moisturized for more than 2 or 3 days, I highly recommend putting all your moisturizing products in the shower when your hair is already warm, your pores are open, and they're just more receptive of the products you're going to put on it versus when you get out of the shower and you start styling it, your hair is cooled down, your cuticles have kind of sealed. You know, it's harder to get the moisture in there. So if you've been having problems with that, me putting all my moisturizing products in the shower has totally changed my moisture game. Like, it's insane how much longer my moisture lasts, how much longer my styles last, because I started putting all my products in the shower. So that is everything, guys. So this is my hair. It's clean, it's moisturized, it is shiny because that oil, and it's ready to be styled. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.